What's going on, everybody? It's Jumbo Josh here, and today we're going to be unboxing another plushie here. As you can see, we have Opila, I think. What the? Oh, I think she's trying to get out. Anyways, let's open this. Ugh. Unfortunately, this one didn't come with any packaging, so it wasn't a surprise. I don't know why. That was weird. And also, I didn't order an Opila bird. This is also weird. Come on, open. What is this? Steel? This made out of steel? Oh my god, it's out. Hello? Meep moop. Meep moop. Meep moop. Meep moop. What the hell are you? Meep moop. You look weird. Are you okay? Meep moop. Meep moop. Ow. Ow. Oh. Ugh. Ow. Meep moop. Meep moop. Cam Fiddles? Yeah? What do you actually think the point of us living is? Like, you ever think that we're just plushies? And on this planet, there's like 8 billion people. And we're just so tiny. Like, compared to humans, we're probably like just insects. In fact, some spiders are probably bigger than us. What? Never mind, forget I said anything. What the? Canvas, do you see that? See what? Look over there. Oh my god. Jumbo! Are you okay? Jumbo, wake up. Oh my god, my bones hurt. Jumbo, what's wrong? What happened? I don't know. I was unboxing one of the plushies and it threw me across the room. I hit that thing and hit the ground. Oh my god. You gonna be okay? I don't know. I feel like I broke a rib or something. Well, I think you'll be fine. I'll go check over on the whatever this plushie is. Wait, don't worry, I'll be quick. No, no, you're gonna get hurt. Hmm? What is that? Hello? Ow! Ugh. Ow. Meep moop. Meep moop. I'm getting evil banban. Jumbo, huggy, Jumbo, Camfiddles. Yeah? Yeah? Get evil banban. Wait, why? No, I don't want to get him. I'll do it. Oh, why am I out? I have no business being at play. Play, play, play. Meep, moop, meep. Play, 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 play. Meep, play, play, play. Eek. Play, play, play. Play. That's what you get for throwing me. Kobe. He'll get him himself. Thanks for watching, guys. We're gonna end the video here. Sorry to interrupt, but that's my thing. Anyways, yeah, we're gonna end the video here. No, it's my thing. What are you talking about? What are you on about? I always end the video. How is that fair? You start them too. How is that fair? What do you mean, how's that fair? That's how it's always been. I start the videos and end them. This is my channel. Our channel. My channel. You guys are members. It's my channel. I started it all. I'm an OG too. You're not even the original Huggy Wuggy we used at the start. I'm the original Jumbo. At least I'm actually an original plushie. You're not. I bet all the viewers know that. Wait, really? Yeah, guys, I'll make like a Plush Buddies lore video series soon, but stay tuned to that. There is gonna be some other videos before that, so stay tuned for it. I'll probably post that one like in August for the whole lore video. I'll make a part 1 and a part 2. Okay, goodbye, guys. Whew, we're finally done. That was intense. Yeah, it kind of was. Anyways, we're done with the video. That's the unboxing one done. Let's go get lunch. Or dinner, because it's like 6 o'clock. Right behind you. Ugh. I will get my revenge. What the? What is that? Why is it ticking? Wait. No. Don't explode. No. No!